Atrial fibrillation is a very common rhythm that people get as they age. Instead of the heart squeezing normally, the top chamber can sit there and quiver. Atrial fibrillation, the top chamber beats at 400 beats a minute. That causes several problems. One is the feeling of palpitations. Another is shortness of breath on exertion. Another is it does increase your risk of stroke. And if the heart rate's going fast, you can develop a weak heart muscle called a cardiomyopathy as a direct result of the atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation is imminently treatable. The most common symptoms with atrial fibrillation are palpitations, a feeling like a fish flopping around in your chest, shortness of breath on exertion, rapid heart rates. You can get lightheaded, you can pass out with it. And those are the major symptoms we see. Occasionally, patients can be relatively asymptomatic with atrial fibrillation. The Apple Watches will frequently identify atrial fibrillation that some may not be aware of. It's important to evaluate and treat those patients because atrial fibrillation can lead to a stroke left untreated.